do not need a layer of oil floating on top of your curry to make it delicious. You can control the amount of fat goes into your curry and can still make creamiest, tastiest egg curry right in your kitchen. In this video, I will show you how to make a rich, creamy restaurant style egg curry with less fat and simple ingredients. Welcome to Home Plate Delights. Here we share simple and easy recipes to make your home plate more delicious and healthy. Now let's get started. Here cooked eggs and ingredients for masala are ready. Let's take a pan and add about a tablespoon of oil, half a teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder. In a low flame, slightly fry the masala powder in oil. Now add cooked eggs to this masala mixture. Gently fry them. This gives a nicely masala coated eggs for our egg curry. It's looking pretty and completely coated. Let's take it out. To make masala, to the same pan I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, about 1 inch of ginger. Saute it very well. Next add 1 large chopped onion. Fry the onions very well until it turns slightly transparent. Add 8 to 10 cashew nuts, 1 large chopped tomato. Fry it until tomato turns soft. Notice I am not overcooking or roasting the vegetables too much here. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Give it one last good mix and turn off the flame. Transfer it to a plate, let it cool down. Once it is cooled down, make a fine paste out of it. To the same pan, I am adding 1 more tablespoon of oil, whole garam masala. Saute it until it releases nice aroma to the oil. 1 small finely chopped onion. Next I am adding fresh masala which we just prepared. You can notice the texture of masala is so smooth and silky. To get this nice textured masala, please follow all the steps which I am showing here. Add little water and adjust the consistency of the gravy. Cook it for few minutes until you see some bubbles. Add salt as per your taste. It has started to boil. It looks nice and perfect. Now it's time to add eggs. It has turned out really nice. Look at this beautiful color. And you can notice the oil is not floating like restaurant, but still it is rich and creamy. Adding some chopped coriander leaves, crushed kasuri methi. This adds a beautiful aroma to the gravy. And that's it. It's almost done. Just to give that restaurant style, add some chopped green chilies and chopped ginger. If you have liked this recipe and learned something new in this video, please do subscribe and support the channel. Enjoy this beautiful, delicious egg curry with rice or roti. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.